Whether you're a casual or a professional user, a Combi Drill is the essential tool to start out your collection. If you're looking for an affordable, yet powerful and effective replacement drill, or maybe you're a new homeowner in need of your first power tool, well, stay with me. The solution is right here. Hi everyone, I'm DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R13CMB-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless combi drill with 13mm keyless chuck. In the hand, it's extremely well balanced and it's just so comfortable. This is in part due to the ergonomic trigger handle design with soft grip. It means that fatigue doesn't come into play on those longer jobs. Below the handle here, there's an LED work light. This greatly assists you in being able to see clearly when drilling or screwing in tight spaces by illuminating the dark areas. There's an easy access forward and reverse switch on each side of the drill. It has a maximum torque of 40 Newton meters. On the top side, just here, there's a 2-speed switch. The second setting is great for high-speed drilling or high-torque screwing. To adjust the torque on the drill, there's an adjustable clutch just here behind the chuck. This collar is numbered to represent the amount of torque or twisting power of the drill. The chuck here is 13mm and keyless. You can fit a larger bit than 13mm, provided that the shank is 13mm or smaller. The drill mode is quite obvious, but when engaged it overrides the torque adjustment to ensure that the drill delivers maximum torque to the bit. Once your pilot holes have been drilled, you then move over to the drive mode when inserting the screws. This engages the torque adjustment setting. Impact mode is what's needed when working with masonry. This setting overrides the torque adjustment and introduces a pulsating action that assists in forcing masonry bits cleanly through concrete, brick and stone. Lastly, features-wise, you'll notice the belt clip on the base of the drill right here, which clips on like this. So there we have it, the Evolution R13CMB-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless combi drill with 13mm keyless chuck. A fantastically versatile drill for absolutely anyone, whether you're a DIYer or a veteran tradesperson. That's it from me today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you on the next one.